Volvo TRW EMS 2.x EGR DPF SCR NOx DTC OFF update ECUDesk Big 11.11 sale revealed. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, your trusted pit stop for everything in the world of automobile diagnostics and ECU programming. Before we kick things off, here's a quick but essential disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. All demonstrations and information shared are meant to help professional technicians, automotive learners, and enthusiasts. We strictly follow fair use and respect all trademarks, copyrights, and brand ownerships. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations and local laws when working on or modifying vehicles. Now, let me ask you a quick question before we dive deep. Have you ever wondered what really happens when you disable EGR, DPF, or NOx systems in a modern Volvo truck ECU? Stick with me till the end, because we're breaking down everything ECUdesk just dropped, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get into the exciting news. ECUdesk ECU chip tuning software has just rolled out a brand new module for Volvo trucks equipped with the TRW EMS 2.x series ECUs. This includes a wide range of functions that can now be managed, modified, or disabled depending on what you're working on. We're talking EGR, DPF, SCR, NOx, and even flap control, all under one roof. Starting with the highlights, the Volvo TRW EMS 2.2 Euro module now supports EGR OFF, DPF OFF, SCR OFF, NOx OFF, and even DTC OFF functions. That's a huge deal for technicians who regularly work on Euro 5 compliant trucks. Similarly, for Euro 6 systems, the Volvo TRW EMS 2.3 module now includes DPF, SCR, EGR, and NOx disable options as well. Basically, ECUdesk just made your diagnostic life a whole lot easier. Here's how you can perform these functions step by step using ECUdesk. First, log into the ECUdesk software and select the Volvo brand. From the module list, choose either TRW EMS 2.2 or EMS 2.3, depending on which ECU your truck uses. Next, upload your original data file using your ECU programmer. Think of this as backing up your ECU's brain before performing surgery. Safety first. Once your original file is loaded, you'll see several options like DPF off, EGR off, SCR off, and NOx off. Select the ones you want to apply. For instance, if you want to disable the diesel particulate filter system, just choose DPF off and ECUdesk handles the coding behind the scenes. The same goes for turning off EGR, SCR, or NOx systems. Just a few clicks and done. When you're satisfied with your selections, save the modified data file, and then reflash it back to your ECU using the same programmer. And there you go. Your ECU is now customized with the selected functions disabled. And if you're thinking, wait, can I really do all that in just a few minutes? Yes, that's the power of ECUdesk. It's like giving your Volvo's ECU a software spa day, minus the expensive dealership visits. But that's not all. ECUdesk didn't stop at Volvo. They've also rolled out new support for Scania ECUs. These include modules like Scania EMS S6, which supports DPF, EGR, and NOx DTC OFF, Scania Siemens/Continental EMS S7, which adds DPF, EGR, and NOx OFF, Scania EMS EMD1, which covers DPF, EGR, SCR, and NOx OFF, and the Scania EMS S8 with full DPF, EGR, SCR, and NOx DTC OFF capabilities. And here's a little teaser. The Scania EMS S10 module is coming soon. So if you're a Scania specialist, keep your eyes peeled, because ECUdesk is clearly gearing up for something big. Now, here's the cherry on top. ECUdesk is running a massive sale starting from November 11th, 2025, all the way until February 12th, 2026. Yup, that's right. Nearly 3 full months of discounts. You can grab 20% off any purchase just by using the coupon code ECUDesk on Baabji 365. So, if you've been planning to add ECUdesk to your toolkit or renew your license, now's the perfect time to make your move. And hey, if you're the kind of technician who says, I'll do it tomorrow, remember, this sale ends fast. You might blink and miss it, just like trying to read a DTC list before your coffee kicks in. Now, looping back to that question I asked earlier, what really happens when you disable EGR, DPF, or NOx systems in a Volvo truck? Well, here's the deal. When done correctly for testing or educational purposes, it helps technicians understand how emission systems interact with performance. However, in real-world driving, those systems are crucial for emissions control and must remain active under local regulations. That's why ECUDesk flexibility is so valuable. It allows simulation, diagnostics, and controlled testing, all while keeping compliance in check. From my perspective, this update makes ECUDesk one of the most technician-friendly tools in 2025. It's not just about switching things off, it's about giving professionals the power to understand, diagnose, and optimize without hassle. So now it's your turn. What do you think about ECUDesk's new Volvo TRW EMS 2.x update? Would you like to see more advanced modules like these for other truck brands? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to know your take. Before you head out, here's a fun fact. Did you know that the Volvo TRW EMS 2.x ECU architecture shares some diagnostic similarities with earlier Scania systems? That's why tools like ECUdesk can adapt updates so quickly. It's all about shared communication protocols behind the scenes. If you found this breakdown helpful, let's make this video soar past 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hype this video up, share it with your technician friends, and of course, subscribe to Baabji Motors for more diagnostic insights, tool updates, and real-world repair guides. Every click helps this channel grow stronger and keeps us bringing you the latest and best from the automotive tech world. Thanks for watching till the end. I'm Hussein, signing off from Baabji Motors. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep those engines and ECUs running smoothly